has once again shown its unstoppable force. In just 1 hour, a relentless downpour of 30 liters per square meter has devastated the peaceful region of La Litera. What began as a calm afternoon quickly turned into a scene of sheer destruction. The storm's heart struck Tamarite de Litera, where torrents of water surged through the streets, flooding squares, homes, and local businesses. Obispo Miranda Street was among the worst hit, streets filled with mud, stones, and debris, leaving behind devastation as the water overwhelmed even the strongest of barriers. Sewers collapsed under pressure, and trees were uprooted in the violent winds. Firefighters from across Huesca rushed to the scene, battling to clear the destruction and assist the local community. But this disaster wasn't limited to Tamarite. Nearby towns like Alcampell and San Esteban de Litera also felt nature's wrath. Schools and cultural centers flooded, while roads and fields turned into rivers. The Confederación Hidrográfica del Ebro has issued a flood warning. The threat is real, with forecasts predicting even more rainfall. In the Pyrenean region, it could exceed 50 liters per square meter in the next few hours. This is more than a storm, it's a wake-up call. Nature's power can change lives in an instant. Stay safe, stay alert, and protect your homes. The storm may have passed, but its memory will haunt these streets for years to come. Share this video, raise awareness, and let's stand together in the face of nature's fury.